You've been eating oatmeal wrong your whole life. Here's what you need to know. Oatmeal is often hailed as the ultimate breakfast superfood, comforting, nutritious, and heart-healthy. But what if we told you that your morning bowl of oats might be doing more harm than good? That's right. Millions are unknowingly sabotaging their health by making simple, everyday mistakes with this seemingly perfect breakfast. From the way it's prepared to what it's paired with, these tiny missteps could be stripping oatmeal of its powerful health benefits and even leading to unwanted side effects. Are you adding the wrong toppings? Overcooking your oats? Ignoring the crucial pairing ingredients that boost absorption? These common oatmeal sins could be silently affecting your digestion, blood sugar, and energy levels. But don't worry, we're not just here to point out the problems. In this video, Health Vibes will reveal 10 oatmeal mistakes you might be making and exactly how to fix them so you can enjoy all the benefits this superfood has to offer. But before we dive into what not to do, let's quickly uncover why oatmeal deserves its superfood crown. From protecting your heart to supporting healthy cholesterol levels, this grain is packed with nutrients that benefit people of all ages. Backhand index pointing right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more healthy tips. And tell us, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments and join our global wellness family. Building on oatmeal's reputation as a heart health hero, much of its magic comes from a special kind of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber isn't just good, it's exceptional. Beta-glucan binds to LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, in your digestive system, helping your body flush it out before it can enter your bloodstream. This natural process can significantly lower your cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of dangerous plaque buildup in your arteries, one of the leading causes of heart disease. But oatmeal doesn't stop there. Beta-glucan also helps reduce inflammation in your blood vessels, making your arteries more flexible and improving blood circulation. This double benefit, lowering cholesterol and boosting blood flow, makes a daily bowl of oatmeal a simple but powerful way to prevent heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular issues. What's more, this soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your gut that slows down digestion, which in turn helps regulate blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes, or anyone trying to avoid those dreaded mid-morning crashes, this means more balanced energy and fewer cravings. And if you've been hearing about the gut microbiome lately, here's another bonus. Beta-glucan helps nourish healthy gut bacteria, promoting better digestion and long-term wellness. From your heart to your gut and everything in between, this one nutrient turns oatmeal into a true breakfast champion. Backhand index pointing right, stay tuned, because up next, we're diving into even more reasons oatmeal should be your go-to, and the common mistakes that could be ruining it without you even realizing. Continuing our journey through the powerful benefits of oatmeal, it's time to talk about what makes it such a nutrient-packed powerhouse. Oatmeal isn't just comforting and delicious, it's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that help your body perform at its best from the moment you start your day. One standout is magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in supporting muscle function and maintaining a healthy nervous system. Oatmeal also provides iron, which is vital for the transport of oxygen in your blood, and zinc, an immune-boosting mineral that keeps your body protected from illness. Add in the B vitamins, and you've got nutrients that promote energy production and help keep your skin, hair, and nails healthy and strong. What makes oatmeal even more impressive is that it's nutrient-dense but low in calories, making it a perfect choice for those who want a filling, energizing meal without overloading on unnecessary calories. It's ideal for fueling your morning while staying aligned with your health goals. Then there's its amazing impact on your gut. Thanks to its high fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, oatmeal works as a natural prebiotic, feeding good bacteria in your digestive system and improving your gut microbiome. The insoluble fiber also supports bowel regularity and reduces bloating. In short, oatmeal isn't just a breakfast. It's a smart investment in your body's long-term health. Whether you're aiming for better digestion, higher energy, or overall wellness, this one humble grain delivers in a big way. And we're not done yet. Up next, how oatmeal helps with weight management and the surprising way it keeps your cravings under control. Don't miss it. Looking to feel full longer, reduce cravings, and support healthy weight management? Oatmeal may be your best breakfast ally. Thanks to its high content of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber, oatmeal helps slow down digestion, which keeps you feeling satisfied for hours. This prevents overeating and reduces the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks throughout the day. Oatmeal's ability to release energy gradually makes it especially effective for curbing sudden hunger spikes, a key reason behind mindless eating and sugar cravings. Another bonus? Oatmeal has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause rapid spikes or crashes in blood sugar levels. These fluctuations can often trigger intense hunger or energy dips, leading to poor food choices. Instead, oatmeal provides a slow and steady release of energy, keeping you alert, satisfied, and in control of your appetite. Whether your goal is to lose weight or maintain your current weight, oatmeal offers a delicious and nutrient-rich way to stay on track without feeling deprived. And if you're concerned about blood sugar management, oatmeal has you covered there too. Its soluble fiber slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing sharp rises in glucose levels. This makes oatmeal an ideal meal for people with diabetes or anyone wanting more balanced energy levels. It also helps increase insulin sensitivity, which plays a vital role in long-term metabolic health. Pair your oatmeal with protein, like Greek yogurt, or healthy fats, like nuts or seeds, to enhance its blood sugar stabilizing effects. Whether you're managing a health condition or just want a more stable, energetic day, oatmeal remains a smart, safe, and satisfying choice for any lifestyle. Next up, the surprising benefit of oatmeal that could even help reduce asthma risk in children. Stay tuned. Did you know that feeding oatmeal to young children might help lower their chances of developing asthma? Research shows that the nutrients and fiber in oatmeal can boost a child's immune system and reduce inflammation in the airways, two important factors that play a big role in preventing asthma. Giving children oatmeal early in life, especially as one of their first solid foods, may even help improve lung function and reduce wheezing, which is often one of the first signs of asthma. Oatmeal is also a gentle and easy-to-digest food, which makes it a perfect choice for babies moving from milk to solid meals. It's full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support overall health, especially the respiratory system. While oatmeal can't guarantee a child won't develop asthma, adding it to their diet is a simple, natural way to give them a healthier start. And oatmeal isn't just good for the inside of the body, it's great for the skin too. It contains special plant compounds like avenanthramides and saponins that help soothe and cleanse the skin. These compounds can reduce redness, itching, and irritation caused by issues like eczema or dry skin. When you eat oatmeal, the benefits go even deeper. It's packed with antioxidants, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which help repair skin, fight inflammation, and give your skin a healthy, glowing look. Plus, the fiber helps manage blood sugar levels, which may help reduce acne linked to hormonal changes. Whether you're eating it or using it in a skincare routine, oatmeal is a natural, gentle, and powerful tool for keeping your body and skin healthy. It's a simple superfood that's good at every age. Oatmeal is more than just a filling breakfast. It's packed with powerful antioxidants called avenanthramides that help your body in amazing ways. These special compounds are known for their anti-inflammatory effects, which means they help calm inflammation inside the body. This is important because long-term inflammation is linked to serious health issues like heart disease. But the benefits don't stop there. Avenanthramides also help improve blood flow by boosting nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax and open up blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow. Better circulation means your heart works more efficiently, and your body gets oxygen and nutrients more easily. These antioxidants also fight oxidative stress, which is caused by free radicals, tiny particles that can damage your cells and speed up aging. By protecting your cells and reducing inflammation, the antioxidants in oatmeal help keep you healthy, energized, and younger looking. Another reason oatmeal is so great? It's easy to make and incredibly versatile. You can prepare it sweet or savory, depending on your taste. Add fruit, nuts, seeds, or a spoonful of peanut butter for flavor and nutrition. Or go savory with a boiled egg, avocado, or veggies for a heartier meal. Whether you're cooking it on the stove, in the microwave, or soaking it overnight, oatmeal is quick and simple to prepare. You can enjoy it any time of day, not just at breakfast. Its flexibility makes it easy to create new combinations so you never get bored. With all its health benefits and endless options, oatmeal is a smart, satisfying choice that supports your body and keeps you feeling great, meal after meal. Let's shift gears and talk about something just as important: how not to ruin your oatmeal. Yes, oatmeal is packed with nutrients, but how you prepare it can make or break its health benefits. Many people unknowingly make mistakes that turn this superfood into a sugar-laden, calorie-heavy meal. Let's dive into some of the most common oatmeal mistakes you should avoid, and trust me, a few might surprise you. Mistake number 1. Adding too much sugar. While a little sweetness can make oatmeal more enjoyable, going overboard with sugar, syrups, or sweet toppings can turn your healthy breakfast into a dessert. Regularly consuming high amounts of sugar increases your risk of weight gain, insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Plus, a sugar spike early in the day often leads to an energy crash, leaving you tired and hungry shortly after eating. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like fresh fruits, which provide vitamins and fiber. Add spices like cinnamon to enhance flavor without the extra calories. Mistake number 2. Using flavored instant oats. They may be quick and easy, but prepackaged flavored oatmeal often contains hidden sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives. These additives strip away the natural goodness of oats, giving you empty calories and few nutrients. For a healthier option, go with plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats and customize them with wholesome toppings. Mistake number 3. Skipping protein. A bowl of oatmeal is a great source of fiber and healthy carbs, but skipping protein is a mistake that can leave you feeling hungry again in no time. Without protein, your body digests the carbohydrates in oatmeal too quickly, leading to a fast rise and crash in blood sugar levels. This crash can cause fatigue, mood dips, and cravings for unhealthy snacks soon after eating. Over time, consistently low protein intake at breakfast may affect your muscle maintenance, slow your metabolism, and reduce energy levels throughout the day. To make your oatmeal more balanced, pair it with high-protein foods like Greek yogurt, eggs, nut butter, or chia seeds. Even a spoonful of protein powder stirred in can make a big difference. These additions slow digestion, keep you feeling full longer, and help you stay focused and energized. Mistake number 4. Overeating. Yes, oatmeal is healthy, but eating too much of a good thing can still cause problems. A generous bowl topped with high-calorie ingredients like dried fruits, sweeteners, and nut butters may seem harmless, but it can pack more calories than you realize. This can lead to weight gain, even with healthy foods. Plus, eating large portions of oatmeal in one sitting can overwhelm your digestive system, especially because of its high fiber content, potentially causing bloating or gas. The key is portion control. Stick to around half a cup of dry oats per serving. Once cooked, it expands into a satisfying meal. To boost fullness without overdoing calories, add fresh fruit, cinnamon, or a few seeds. This way, you enjoy a flavorful, filling, and balanced bowl without going overboard. Remember, the goal is smart eating, not just healthy eating. Mistake number 5. Not soaking oats. Here's something many people don't realize. Oats contain a natural substance called phytic acid. While it helps preserve the grain, phytic acid can block your body's ability to absorb key minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium. If you eat oats regularly without soaking them, this interference could lead to lower mineral absorption, and over time, it might even contribute to nutrient deficiencies, especially if oatmeal is a daily habit. Luckily, there's a simple fix. Just soak your oats overnight. By soaking them in water or milk for about 8 hours, you help break down phytic acid, making those important minerals more available to your body. Soaking also makes the oats softer and easier to digest, which can help prevent bloating and stomach discomfort. It's an easy step that brings a big boost in both nutrition and digestion. Mistake number 6. Eating undercooked oats. Another surprisingly common mistake is eating oats that are undercooked. While they may look fine, undercooked oats can be tough on your stomach. Oats are rich in a powerful fiber called beta-glucan, which is amazing for your health, but when it's not fully cooked, it becomes harder for your digestive system to handle. This can lead to bloating, stomach cramps, or just a heavy, sluggish feeling after your meal. Also, undercooked oats tend to be chewy and hard, making the experience less enjoyable. Cooking your oats until they're soft and creamy, whether on the stovetop, in the microwave, or soaked overnight, makes them much easier to digest and allows your body to better absorb their fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Well-cooked oats don't just taste better, they help your gut feel better too. Mistake number 7. Overcooking oats. While undercooking oats can be a problem, overcooking them can also take away from their goodness. When oats are cooked for too long or with too much liquid, they often turn into a mushy, gluey mess that's not pleasant to eat. The soft texture may not seem like a big deal, but it can actually reduce how full and satisfied you feel after eating. That's because the more the oats break down, the less slowly they digest, meaning you might feel hungry again sooner. To keep your oatmeal both tasty and filling, cook it until it's soft but still a little chewy. This keeps the texture enjoyable and helps your body digest the fiber more slowly, giving you lasting energy. Experts suggest following the instructions on your oat package and adjusting slightly based on how you like your oats, whether you're using the microwave or cooking on the stovetop. A little attention while cooking goes a long way in creating the perfect bowl every time. Mistake number 8, using the wrong liquid. Choosing the right liquid is a simple but important part of making great oatmeal. Many people think using milk will make oatmeal creamier, but it often has the opposite effect. When oats are cooked directly in milk, the proteins in the milk react with the starch in the oats, creating a thick and sticky texture that feels more like paste than porridge. To avoid this, try cooking your oats in water first. Water allows the oats to cook evenly without getting gummy. Once they're fully cooked and tender, you can stir in milk or plant-based milk to make them creamier. This way, the texture stays smooth and the flavor is richer, without losing balance or comfort. Mistake number 9, skipping salt. You might think that oatmeal doesn't need salt, but skipping it is a common mistake that can leave your meal tasting bland, no matter how many toppings you add. A small pinch of salt during cooking can really bring out the natural flavors of the oats, enhancing the taste and balancing the sweetness of fruits, nuts, or honey. Without salt, oatmeal can taste flat and one-dimensional, making it less satisfying to eat. The key is to use just a pinch, enough to boost flavor without oversalting. Adding it at the start of cooking allows it to dissolve evenly, ensuring the oats absorb the flavor as they soften. This simple step can elevate your oatmeal, making it a much more enjoyable and balanced meal. Mistake number 10, relying solely on oatmeal. While oatmeal is undeniably nutritious and packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, it shouldn't be your only meal every day. If you only eat oatmeal for an extended period, you might miss out on essential nutrients such as protein, healthy fats, vitamin B12, and iron, key elements found in other food groups. To maintain a well-rounded diet, it's important to combine oatmeal with other foods. For example, adding fresh fruits will boost your vitamin intake, while nuts or seeds provide healthy fats. Pairing oatmeal with boiled eggs or Greek yogurt can help you get the protein you need. Be sure to include vegetables and lean protein sources, like chicken or fish, to keep your meals balanced. Oatmeal is a great foundation for a healthy diet, but variety is essential to ensure you're meeting all your nutritional needs. By making a few small changes to your oatmeal routine, you can maximize its benefits and create meals that are both delicious and nourishing. Now it's your turn. Have you been making any of these mistakes? Or do you have your own tips for the perfect bowl of oatmeal? Share your thoughts below. Let's continue learning and living healthier together.